Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to make a design, a simple uh, camera rig for overhead filming. So, last time I have a tutorial about complicated camera rig. You can move up and down, uh, forward or backward. But this afternoon, I will show you this day how to create a simple DIY do-it-yourself overhead for overhead filming. So we will start to make a design. So we will do, and this project we are going to use PVC pipe. So this is our format. So from here we will be using elbow. So here, okay. So here we have the T, and pipe, and then here we will do have the elbow. So there, on this side we have also elbow. On this side, elbow. So on this side also we have one elbow. Okay, so we will just make it better after. Okay, so we have elbow, T, and we will go up. So here, so as simple as that. So we will be using here on this part, we will be using this one and this one. We will be using a 3/4 PVC pipe. For this one also we will use 3/4 PVC pipe. While this one here, and here we will be using 1/2 PVC pipe. So the reason why we use this one as 3/4, so that it will not bend. If we will use the 1/2 pipe here, possible it will bend and our camera will be down here. So this is our initial layout. So probably this one is about 14. This one is about 14 inches. This one is about 6 inches, and this one also is about 4 inches. So 4 is here also, we will just add on. Okay, but you can increase the size of the tubing. So this one I am using also 12, and inside on this pipe I add on one tube. Okay, and lock here. We have the lock up here with that thread, so that this one you can adjust, go forward, you can move it forward longer or backward to the same position. So that is our layout. So here, this is the mount of our camera. Here should be our camera. Okay, so what we are going to do here is just very simple. if you have your old camera mount, so it looks like this now. This is our old camera mount. Usually you can buy this one, or you can use your old selfie stick camera. Okay, so we will attach this one through the end of the tubing. Okay, so what we're going to do is like that. So this is our, and we have the nuts here, or we can just put some glue here so that it will not fall down. That's better to have a nut here. And okay, that's it. So here, this one, we use this one 1/2 PVC pipe so that we can move. But this one, we use this one 3/4 PVC pipe. So here, 1/2, 3/4, so that it will move forward. So we can adjust the size of our camera rig. So this is very easy. Okay, hope you can do it. So by this one, you can adjust the size whatever you want. But for me, I am using 4 and this 6 and this is 4 inch. So the height will be 14. This one is 12. But the extender, this one is quite also. It's about, so my extender like that. So this is also 12 inches. But this is 1/2 PVC pipe, so that the PVC pipe will go inside. And this is the lock.
So you can remove the nut.
What I did is, you have your stopper,
you can adjust
right? The stopper
size.
is
You can move it this one.
the end of your at the end of
You can
your
extend.
tubing like that.
You can extend it.
So what I did is I cut
This
this
is the
one
base.
out and I put
This is the base. What we did like this.
bolts
It's the base.
with a nut.
And up here.
So here I
Then going.
replace it with
So this is what it looks like.
thread. Okay. So that's it. This is for the lock here. Okay. So you just cut this one. You can buy this one at the hardware.
So you can extend.
Okay. So hopefully you learn something about this very simple table camera rig for overhead filming. Okay.